In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on Monday.com 2026, step by step. If you've ever lost track of conversations across emails and DMs, the chat inside a Monday.com board keeps everything in one place right next to the work it's about. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can start using it right away. First, open Monday.com and head to your workspace. Look for a board called Trial Management. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar under your workspace boards. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. When the board opens, give it a moment to load your items and views. Make sure you're in the main board view so the standard panel and tools are visible. You don't need to change anything else here. We just need access to the area where conversations happen. Now, let's start chatting. On this board, the conversation area appears as a chat box, often labeled updates, or represented by a message or speech bubble icon. You'll usually see it on the right side of the screen or as a text field at the bottom of the conversation panel. Click into that chat box to activate it. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see a place to type your message and a send button. Type your message with enough context so teammates understand what you're referring to without hunting around. If your account supports mentions, you can use the @ symbol to call attention to specific people or teams. Keep your notes clear and actionable. Think short sentences, clear asks, and deadlines where appropriate. If you need to share supporting material, look for the paperclip or attachment option to add files or links. Light formatting, like line breaks or bold options if available, can make your message easier to scan. Emojis and reactions are great for quick confirmations without cluttering the thread. After you send your message, it will appear in the chat history for that board or item, keeping your discussion tied to the actual work. Teammates who follow the board will be notified according to their notification settings. If someone says they didn't see it, it's usually a notifications or permission setting on their side. Depending on your plan, you may also see reply or thread options to keep sub-discussions organized. If you don't see the chat box, look for an updates tab, a message icon, or switch to a standard board view. A quick refresh can also reveal it if the interface didn't fully load. That's it. Open the trial management board, click the chat box, and start your conversation right where the work lives.